Man, do y'all see this shit, man? This motherfucking bullshit ass snow. Cocaine every motherfucking where in the city of Minneapolis, motherfucking Minnesota. I'm about sick of this shit, man. Really sick of this bullshit. You see this shit? This some straight up ass bullshit. You go to motherfucking California shit, man. This motherfucking 80, 90 goddamn degrees. Go to motherfucking Nevada or something, man. This motherfucking 100 and shit, man. What the fuck going on out here? It's the middle of April. Y'all see this shit? Motherfuckers can't even get their damn cars and shit out the motherfucking driveways and shit, man. Look at this shit. You see this? The fuck going on out here, man? Blizzards and shit in the middle of motherfucking April. Minnesota, man. This what the fuck we get, man. This what the fuck we get out here, man. God damn it. The fuck going on out here? This what we deserve, for real? Look at this shit, man. Look at this shit. Motherfucker, it's like we ain't motherfucking December or some shit, man. What the fuck? Motherfuckers still got jackets and coats and gloves and scarves and shit on around this motherfucker, man. God damn, we can't even walk out this bitch with a beater or some damn shorts and some house shoes. You feel me? I'm trying to see some butt naked hoes and shit walking around this motherfucker. But we gotta come out and see this bullshit ass weather and bitches, you know what I'm saying, all bodies and shit covered up with jackets and, oh, what the fuck going on? You feel me? I'm trying to see some butt naked ass shit. But it's cool though, man. Y'all see this shit, man. Still got love for my motherfucking city though. It's all love. But this some bullshit. Motherfuckers wiping their cars off. The fuck?